Google has a variety of specific keywords and categories that vary by type and country. For example, use of keywords from alcohol-related products are prohibited in Thailand and Turkey. Keywords for gambling and are prohibited in Poland. Keywords services are in Russia and Ukraine, and keywords for adult-related services or products are prohibited worldwide as of June 2014. In March 2020, at the beginning of the first coronavirus, Google blocked all face mask keywords from being legible for an ad targeting as part of a policy to prevent companies from attempting to capitalize on the pandemic cost. Every time a user conducts a search on Google, Google Ads runs an action in real time, determines which search ad are displayed on the search result page as well as the ad position. The cost of a Google Ads campaign therefore depends on the variety of factors, including the maximum amount an advertiser is willing to pay per click of the keyword and the quality source of ad based on the relevance and click frequency and ad extensions. Although an advanced bidding strategy can be used to automatically reach a predefined cost per action. This should not be confused with the fixed CPA pricing model. In addition to tracking click ad, Google Ads provide advertisers an ability to track and report other conversations that happen after the click such as purchases, sign up or calls. Conversation tracking is Conversation tracking is implemented by sending an identifier to the advertiser website as a URL parameter, which is then used by advertisers to send conversation to Google Ads, allowing Google Ads to trace conversation back to the originally click for reporting. Google also allow advertisers to install a pixel on their website that send conversation to the AdWords account. This allow advertisers to target their ads to drive conversation more effectively. For most traffic, Google sends a unique identifier for each click, allowing to determine source of conversation to comply with tracking restrictions on Apple devices. Identifiers that are not associated with specific person are used called jailbreak. Google Ads provides ability to report many of such conversation by using modeled conversation that combine additional customer detail to decode which used to attribute the conversation to. Google Ads can be integrated that Google Analytics which can improve conversation taking effectiveness. This integration allows for a more comprehensive understanding of user intersection across different platforms and devices. Google Ads introduce enhanced conversation to make conversation measurement more accurate. In 2018, reported that Google had paid millions of dollars to MasterCard for its user credit card data for offline conversation tracking purpose. The deal had not been publicly announced. Technology. The Adword system was initially implemented on the top of the MySQL database engine. After the system has been launched, management decided to be instant, but we eventually reverted to MySQL after the system became much slower. Eventually, Google developed a custom distributed relation database known as Google Spanner specifically for the need of the ad business. The interface offers separate sheet editing, search query reports, and conversion metrics. Google Ads has been the subject of lawsuit relating to trademark law, Inc., American Blind Wallpaper Factory, Inc., and Corp. fraud, fraud, and click fraud. Services Inc. Google for patent in April 2002.